Our world is changing at an alarming rate, with climate change, the collapse of ecosystems, and biodiversity loss all threats to a sustainable future for global society. The reinsurance industry is uniquely positioned to help address some of these risks, and in 2020 at SCOR we are redoubling our efforts to embed our scientific understanding of climate change into all aspects of our business, but particularly property and agriculture lines of business. Under the sponsorship of our CEO, we've embarked on an ambitious project to assess the impacts of physical climate change on SCOR and all its clients. We realise the need to go beyond glossy reports, to leverage our deep geoscientific expertise and to operationalise the impacts of climate change.
I am very passionate about translating science into actionable risk models. And this is exactly what we do at SCOR when we quantify the impact of climate change on SCOR and our clients' business. We do this across all relevant perils, starting from wildfire to wind, flood, drought and frost for our agribusiness. In order to integrate climate change in our strategy, we have a strong focus on the next 5 to 10 years, using consistent global warming projections for both agri and properties business. And we do this across all relevant geographies. We built our own algorithms to develop millions of simulations of this decade. This is very important in order to quantify the range of uncertainty, given that uncertainty is part of the risk and we want to control risk.
We now have the capabilities to directly quantify the impacts across our P&C portfolio to temperature increases, sea level rises, and the changes in the frequency and severity of extreme events on a 5 to 10 year forward-looking time horizon, which pulls climate change into sharp focus. This deep study is helping us to confront the challenges of climate change across our organisation and in all the markets that we operate. As well as helping SCOR immunise itself against emerging climate risks, we now also have the capability to cost these impacts for any client anywhere in the world.